September 1st, this is Dave Dispinette from the Stock Playbook. Dow Jones down 119 points, 1%. NASDAQ Composite 33 points, 1.3%. S&P 500 down 14 points, 1.2%. Whether or not this is the beginning of the next leg lower, only time's going to tell. We got to wait for the employment numbers tomorrow or unemployment numbers and see how the market reacts. I think there'll be a fade trade there at the open. If you wake up and the S&P is up 20 points, short it with that, lift. If it's down 20 points and an overreaction, I think you could buy that dip. Again, this is just for the first 15, 20 minutes of the day as a trade. Ultimately, I think the market goes lower, which is why we recommend, for those of you who don't want to play the futures, SPXU. Had a nice little pop. It was still just above the 50 and 200 day. Still not too late to get in. And SPXU. MITK, a name we've talked about often in here. At this trial, little snippet of what we do on a nightly basis. This video is 2-3 minutes, sometimes 4.5 minutes long a day. I do about 27 to 45, 50 minutes of content each night. Look at ETFs, we look at stocks to short, earnings plays, new highs. We do it all. Stocks under 10, IPOs, new issues. Check out our service. I think you'll be impressed. But MITK, a name we talked about, our website, we gave it to our subscribers just again for like the second or third time on this pullback to the 50-day at $8 a share. Now coming up on almost 50% gains. At one point today, you had better than 50% gains in less than a week and a half. This in the market that's just been getting its face kicked in. Netflix, another name we've talked about shorting forever. Not just the last couple of days, but we were shorting it right here on this lift to 300. We thought it was a short. We shorted on this lift to 250. We made money here. We made money on this sell-off. We recently made money on this one. But Netflix, I still, as I've been saying, even when it was up here, feel like it hits below 100 before it goes above 300. And yes, I lost that bet because I was saying it even when it was up here at 297 and it went to 300. But ultimately, Netflix, after the close today, Stars apparently said they're not going to reissue or renegotiate their contract in February with Netflix. This could be just the beginning of content providers starting to squeeze Netflix on the price that they want for their content. Some people are saying that's good by Netflix. They're disciplined by not overpaying. Others have to be a little concerned. There's so many other venues where they can go ahead and, put out this content. Everybody's looking over Netflix's, fence into their backyard, seeing what they've made, and they're trying to get a piece of that. Netflix right now looks like it's going to be around $210 a share tomorrow. Right now in the aftermarket, down 23. I saw it tick down as low as $204 tonight. We take out this 200, 203 area, it could be lookout below. This could be the beginning of the sell-off that so many people have been betting on was coming and never came. Only those that are either silly, like me, have managed to stay with the position for so long. But Netflix, still probably not too late to short this stock if it falls through that 200 level. I think you could see it accelerate to the downside. You want some more picks? We got a couple of new ones. We did an IPO and new issue video tonight. Sign up for a free trial and see what we like, right now as an investment and a trade. It's free. I'll talk to you soon.